So this is not a collecting video, but I just wanted to show how the metal or assemble. So this is the Dang Grand Cross, and then this is the Dang Commander. So Thailand is a tropical country. So if one doesn't take care of the road decoration in good condition, it's blackened over times. And I don't live in Thailand. And when I bought the metal, I like to wash off the environmental damage and stuff. For me, I don't really care much about damaging the price of the metal, because that's not a concern of mine. I like to collect because I wanted to have in my collection, so a personal collection. So when I first got it, I was soaking the metal in hot water with baking soda to remove the stain and then the black stuff. And then unfortunately, the blue enamel on this star cracked into pieces. So I don't know if you guys could see, but you see the original enamel still in around the corner. So I was trying to restore it with glass enamel, but it's very difficult to find the one that going to be color matching. And then I was talking to a private dealer in Thailand, and then he recommended me either do an epoxy resin or use nail polish. And then I find nail polish not too having good look on it. So I have been talking to since the last conversation that I had with him was probably 6 months ago, or almost a year. And then I finally bought some resin, and then on Etsy. And then during the first layers, I was able to color match the item on the enamel, but it did not fully cover the whole piece as the same color. As you guys see here, the still white spot there. And then when I do a second layer, the color didn't match, and then the pigment kind of stick finally mixed with the resin. It's not watery like last time. So yeah, that's why it came out doesn't look very good. So this is the star that it normally look like. So I'm going to assemble here for you guys to see. So you have the back here, and then the crown here. So as you can see, the two holes on the front. So you put this and the pieces, and then on the star here you also have the two holes right here, and then you let me see. So this is how you assemble the three pieces together, and then you just bend the pin here, one to each side. And then since I just using my hand, so it's usually originally tucked in there, and then this is the final piece. So you just screw it back in clockwise, right? And then that is how the star is assembled. So as you guys can see here, so this is the one that I restore, and this is the original piece. So yeah, I should have yeah, it's happened a trial of getting the color to match and then seeing how it looked after it settle. So yeah, not a problem. So and then this is the dang commander, and then this is the dang grand cross. Yeah, so this is the star. The issue that I have with this one, it was just the part right here that kind of chip, as you can see here, the color matching. When I apply it, look exactly, but when it's settled, oh, and then one other thing, I don't know if you guys could see, but like earlier on the ray here, it also crack, and big crack right here, the one that you could see like light right here, and then a little bit chipping like over here too, and then it look good. So I did that the day before, and then this is the one that I did the day after, and then just the color matching didn't match. Other than that, so this is the star and this is the pendant. So I also broke the pin here too, so that's why it's a little bit shorter compared to the other pin. So yeah, the dealer did recommended me like some of the shop in Thailand if I were able to go back. I don't know why there's some sort of like plastic or glue right here, so it was a bit difficult to get it out when I took it out. So let me see. Like a place where I could like restore the pieces with the original enamel, but is this go right here? No, it's yeah, actually like right here. Okay, finally. So the one right here, go on this side, and this one go on this side, and then this is the back of the pendant. So you have 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, 4 and 5 pieces. So this is the contractor or maker's mark, and then this is the year 2536. So what was that? 93. So this piece was made in 1993. So like earlier, you had to screw it back in clockwise. How is it set up? Okay, right. So just use your okay. Not perfect, but oh, let me see. I'll end the video here, and then since you already know like what it looked like, so yeah, so just screw it. This is the back, and this is the front of the pendant. So one other thing I forgot to mention, you can see right here. Let's see. So right here, that also cracked as well, and it's a very tiny spot, so I wasn't able to like apply enough resin in there. I was going to apply the second for the second layer, but the second time was a little bit difficult to add them more, and it will cause overflow into the Georgian here and then the blah blah here too. So I decided not to add another layer on the back here.